Red Lake Mead. We're at Hoover Dam. We're gonna ride the historic Hoover Dam rail line over towards Hoover Dam. Never done it. It's gonna be a new one. So this is the beginning. The visitor center is straight ahead, but we're gonna jam it in and asked if we could take bikes on this. We wanted to make sure. We found out yes. So at this point, here's a picture here. So they had to do some kind of trestle across the river at some point. 6 companies line. So this is, I guess, part of it. Okay, onward and upward. Well, onward and onward. Oh, that can't be good. Oh, and it went. Oh, it's all the way to the bottom. Oh, bummer. Oh, dude's hat blew off his head and woo, just pushed me a little. This has been a mine. Desert wildlife. Signs for bighorn sheep. I don't know if we'll see any. Hi. Oh, a couple of military. Oh no, I'm thinking those are not military. Those are Grand Canyon tour helicopters. 2 of them are heading out. Yeah, you take it from Vegas. That's quite a. Oh, there's a third one. It's 3 of them. Looks like quite the tour of Grand Canyon. Of course, there's Jan. We're looking back west right now. She's getting a picture. So here we come to the tunnel. Digging the tunnels. Oof. We'll look this up online, just old picture. We're gonna keep on riding into the tunnel. Woo! No echo at all. Aren't they? See if GoPro adapts. Ooh, timbers. Dog trail. And we're coming to the second tunnel. They're a little afraid of rock falls. Maybe I should take down my sunglasses so I can see. This is interesting. Yeah, put a container in here. Keep people safe from rocks coming down on this side. Ooh. Cut the timbers. Hard times in the desert. How you doing?
Good, yeah.
Still hear helicopters going by. I think the tour group is a big one. It's interesting that the west side of each tunnel, no timbers, got some anchors up there in the rock, I noticed. No timbers. All the timbers seem to be on the east side, and then they put in these containers to help protect, even from here, and it's dark. It is nothing but dark. And you can see some rocks on top of the container. So some things fall down this. But it seems like they only had to shore up the east side. See, there's timbers on this side here. Gotta love an old container. Fourth ton. Thank you, dog. Oh, and we were up at this lookout point earlier. Now there's a tour bus up there with a ton of people. Thank God we missed that. Benches here. Oh, count the tunnels again when I go back. But I'm thinking this is our 5th tunnel coming up. This goes right under the Lake Mead view spot. So we're getting to where we were right up there on that wall up there in the parking spot looking at the lake. Decided that we got to come back. The wind isn't bad, so we're going to come back and ride it. And that's what we're doing. Helicopters just keep going by. Man, tour groups are out. I don't know if they all went out at almost the same time. There's 5 or 6 now helicopters that went out pretty much close together. And this, I think, is going to be a dark one. Woo! No, not too bad. There's an opening. So, hello. Not much echo though. Oh, so we do go right to this facility here. So we don't even get close to the dam. So it looks like we might not get a view. Well, I didn't think that was going to be the case anyway. We can keep going. All right, so we can keep going. I think the rail line just came to this facility here, but we can keep going. So all right, so we fired it up again. We're doing a downhill, which of course means Blake's got to ride back up it. Should have brought the tow rope, let Jan tow me up. But we're in good shape at this point. We're heading down towards the dam at this point. And it's really not going to be too bad, I don't think, of a climb. It should be good for me, actually. And there's really no wind here, so I don't have to fight a wind going up this. So it looks really good, actually. Don't want people missing this corner. Whee! The more workout I get today, the better. Nice little stop here. Trash Can Historic Railway. Hoover Dam 1 mile. Blah, 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 blah. Shortcut. That's a shortcut, but it's 12% grade, which going down is not a problem. We'll take the full loop here. Oh, look at this rock in here. Totally different, complete layer of rock in through here. Wow. Hello, biker. Howdy. Some old gears, I'm going to say, from old turbines and whatnot they had in the dam. All kinds of stuff. What, baby? What? Yeah, I'd say so, yes. Had a building here at one point. Probably. Well, that's kind of, I don't know. That's the other trail coming down. So this is our trail here. Okay. It just goes around. We're taking a little shortcut. You okay with this? Okay. Nice little switchback. We'll go up that way though. Oh, I should have gone right over that rock right there. Oh. Ooh. Okay, short trail. Oh, look, they have signs for all this equipment. They are marking a turbine here, so yeah. We'll come back. When we come back, we'll get some pictures on that and stuff. But right now, we're going to go ahead and continue on. Okay. No bikes beyond this point. It's too narrow. They don't let us down. Well, that sucks. All right, well. Now we're taking a little side trail. Didn't say we couldn't. I think we're gonna have our own little private point here to the lake. Just climb back up from more or less the dam area. Oh, and you walk around the corner. And there you have it. Ah, wow, okay. Whew. So now, that's the road. It just comes down to the dam. So you got to go through the security checkpoint just to the left of us. We're gonna head back down this and through the tunnel over here, head back to where we're. All right, and from here we're gonna head back through the tunnels. Do you want to lead out, sweetie? Careful in the sand there. Woo, yeah. That's just deep right there. It's green sand. Oh, we stopped here. All right, so we're going back through tunnel number 3. This is a lot of